Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another exciting video of the Tech is 50. In this video, I will show you that how you can make fingerprint sensor of your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G more fast. I know it's good, but not too much fast. But by this trick, you can make it more fast. So for that, let's begin the video. And here is the Galaxy A53 5G. First of all, you need to go to settings, and in the settings, scroll down and then go to biometric and security settings. Then go to fingerprints here, give your password or PIN, then you will see the option which is show animation when unlocking at end. Okay, just turn it off, and after that go back and then go to third option which is more biometric settings, and here turn off show unlock transition effect. You just need to turn off. Now let's go back to home, and that's it, everything done. Now let's try the fingerprint sensor again, and here you can see, so by this you can see speed improved. So that's how you can make fingerprint sensor fast on your Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So I hope my video will be helpful for you. If yes, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in next video. Take care. Signing off.